Ikinya rĩa gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu KIMANI WAMATANGI gwikira kirore watho wa KIGINA wa kaunti ya Kiambu ritanyitwo kugacirithia mihang'o ya ungania wa magoti kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuhitukira kumbwo kwa ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti kaunti-ini ino niguo kugacirithia na kuongerera KIGINA kiria kaunti ino yunganagia.
Going to help us to do many things using this new law, because we are now able to have a direct negotiation with any of our well-wishers. We can even now go out as a county and negotiate and attract people to come and invest here, grow our trade, our business, directly engage with those entities. So it's a fundamental law.
We envision and purpose that this new vehicle that we've set up in the county will be focused solely on revenue collection. Watho uria wahitukirio kwa hamwe ni MCA sabunge ya kaunti ya Kiambu wendekithitie kurehe hamwe ataramu wa ungania wa KIGINA kuhitukira kumbwo kwa bodi iria riramataga ruhonge ruru hari ungania wa KIGINA kaunti-ini undu uria gavana WAMATANGI atugiritie akiuga kunyita itemi inene hari gukuria KIGINA kiria kaunti yunganagia.
We intend to collaborate with the assembly to ensure that subsequently we can continue to improve the act so that it becomes continuously helpful and we grow it.
What has been there before is that revenue collection has been done in the finance department, and it was embedded in the finance department. But right now we'll have a body which is semi-autonomous that will be set up with a board, with a chief. The CEO will head that body. We'll have a team that will set up specifically for revenue collection.
Mwaka-ini uyu wa KIGINA kaunti ya Kiambu irarongoreirie kungania muigana wa shilingi milioni 7.9 niguo kuhura njeki bajeti yao ya muigana wa shilingi bilioni 22. Riu ikinya riri rigitanywo kunyita itemi inene hari gukinyaniria KIGINA giki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.